Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always supporting me in this particular channel. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this channel or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, in this channel, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and enjoy this video, and I will be right back.
Underground work is to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ganguni mebeni. Iunanafu Dave Umahi of Ebonyi State ga potangu shigi that left federal government dialogue with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Iyale man this man will evil agenda before Ojegofu Buhari. After Kofu Chazi Buhari now, Obiaze Malozie yes na Nenweliki Jeff imiti ise to Mazi Nnamdi nebanya na case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why no nebelanya na case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu since? Why no nebelanya na case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu since? Iya esen Nigeria. Why no nebelanya na case Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Kita ka ha ga-apụta if Dave Umahi ọ ga-apụta kita na pressure ọ ga-akpacha with the federal government. Ha plan with the federal government. Ọbịa na NTA News, ọbịa na Channel TV bụ their headquarter. Ebe onye ọbụla na-abịa interview with BBC Igbo. Ha bịa there ha sị gị we have spoken to the president and we are working. We are doing everything humanly possible to make sure that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is released unconditionally. All those things are fallacy. Here are their new strategies. Here are their new plan. Here plan how get you illegal. So even alone at this struggle. In alone at this struggle. Where can all these people will anything to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? A man, you are deceiving yourself. A man is bit of the struggle. It can any politician from East or block what so politicians can have use use both some reverend fathers and some pastors in order to make you think that there is something they are doing that is working out. Yeah, be a hageche. Successful Aro Kelly. Congratulations, you are hereby blocked. I will not malodin pota this week. This month anonymia nambo. He comment rubbish anything bad against IPOB. One name block working at this platform. Kamalum bendizu bido sobem. Because I need dizu na my platform. I put a neck wo yo chena gina madoso. A mama no gina killers and the blood sucking demons. The Segimas, you are doing well. A need them all those praises. Pomun Jom Niru Nabatia. Now their new strategy this time. Makano unne chekwano ebi logos before these people. Ebidomewe campaign. Their campaign ebidogo. Ebidogo walk over underground now. Go many people. Ebu ego. Devil Mahia. Rochas them Tunubu. All of them ebu ego. The same strategy. Kahage use now. Iga na fuhana. Iyahaga shege that we are working. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our son. We cannot kill him. He's been misguided. He's been misguided. That we will work deep to look into his release. Onyegwagona. Who tell you? These people are evil. On well any politicians none of Biafra land love Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from A to Z. Nda nine bo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asi. Hancha nine from A to Z bo Mazi Nnamdi Kanu asi. Here new strategies how get you a win the love of the masses. Yeah, new strategies how get you win your people. How we see people we see that they are doing well, they are doing great. Yeah, new strategy how get you draw people to themselves for 2023 election. Yeah, the new strategies. On well any of them for Mazinam the Kananya, and on any of them they speak for Mazinam Kanu. Yen they are going Yabona, Unu check an Anambra election. You check an Anambra election. If for that now, or not, if I know Bana Bayale Campolamu, we use one year no South Africa na Uruagu when they make campaign, now hide under IPOB. They are make campaign. Onya puta, or say we are going for Mazinam Dekanu, we are going to court. Those many of these evil governors. Gapota kita kahaga bianaga haga ne 2 DSS kene 2 mili. The reason bunonya buna choka paper buonya na ya gafu Mazinam Dekanu. The reason ikaya fokwo Jozo Kalu. Ikaya for Jozo Kalu, believe you me. Ikaya for Jozo Kalu. Okay, ejekwa Gavi Mazinam Kanu. I have forgiven Mazinam Kanu. We speak like a brother. I have never have any grudges against Mazinam Kanu, but we will make sure that Mazinam Kanu will be released as soon as possible. That is election 2023 campaign. Their strategy now, we use 2023 election campaign. Use Mazinam Kanu to campaign. And our people were short-term memory. The people are maga into Gamalo, the people, how these people here have stand before now. Once Apple Alpha Mazinam Nikana, is thank God they have repented. These people they are genuine. Now they know that they are evil. Let us give them chance to work. All those things will campaign. The moment you had the chance, when the highly go there, okay for the devil Mahibu, Oge Bukalianya. The same thing Kokezi Pazo. On all of these people on your Mazinam Kananya, we must not allow ourselves to be fooled again. They fool Luga many times. They use our brain many times. How many times can you get man you be fine malife? How many times can that get going for Uwayo be fine malife? This is the right time. I get you man that there is nothing like any politicians going for Mazinam Kanu release. For Mazinam Kanu to be released is in our hands. The freedom of Mazinam Kanu lie in the hands of IPOB. The freedom and the restoration of Biafra lies in our hands, not in the hands of America, not in the hands of Israel, not in the hands of Britain. It lies in our hand. Odi anyinaka, mbobu na icho, ka I restore Biafra. I got happen anything. Here Bonabastale election. Masmos Patrick, all the way from Maputo. Greetings from here, Mozambique. Iyabo game plan. Ha plan itageo. He said go their plan. Ha plan itago recruit to go many traditional rulers. Recruit to many religious leaders. Kwa hezibugwa. That no akahaga okay ka highly use on these are the people that they will be sending. Those people man they are Buhari and another reply. Yeah, game plan. Yeah, game plan. Hage set many missionaries. But as you know, okay, now I get put a neutral body like traditional rulers and some king and some religious leaders. Nda ha kugo hugo. Hello there, or bully Hana Buhari Pakahaya Daniel press release. Yaga that Mazinam Kanu will be released as soon as possible. Before you know it, 2023 Akuchio. Before you know it, he gonna force campaign. Before you know it, he gonna force everyone near Biafra flag in a bag toto. Hababogi. So Kaiden wise, Malo their new strategies. Check an Anambra election. Before Anambra election, Uno Fulando back on Okumaka IPOB. If I know back Okumaka IPOB. Uno for many reverend fathers in the Okumaka IPOB. To the extent some people volunteer along with him. Uno for K Mafia. Valentine koku maka IPOB. Uno for Soludo koku maka IPOB. Today, where are they? Since after Anambra election, on whether any other person nku maka IPOB again. On any other person nku maka IPOB. Yeah, just campaign. Just campaign because I'm mad that now our people can be with any small thing emotion a point. Because of we think we love Mazinam can let's give them support. All those support will kill IPOB. Now ask yourself, since after Anambra election, on whether any person from Anambra state cool anything but Salomon Mazinam release. That if I know the other million on a South Africa campaign. Where are the people and our campaign Ejimaka will leave to Anambra election? On whether any of them they cook before Anambra election, Hanchani name BBC body. Hanchani name Channel TV. Immediately after Anambra election, they lost contact with BBC. They lost contact with Channel TV. On what was the name interview again? Guinea Consulia. How will he gain? Nde ligani. Also wine can agwa ofuoku na ale. Guinea ka ha geju e campaign elogi. Na on well anything ha mena. Ga check here, there is nothing Hage boast. Only a hammer, nothing. So, in a moment we get involved now with these politicians, share that something will come out of it. The only thing that here Potanguna these people is death, massacre, mass killing. That is why Igeju avoid anything that has to do with election campaign. Another man campaigning for boycott of election. Man Ebola IPOB member. Ikoshirima, Ebola IPOB principal officer, Ebola IPOB leader. In any leadership in IPOB. Ikoshirima what these people is up to. Because how you use IPOB for Haligoluna is doing again. Wike ke oro makana Mazinam kan tolie in order to pay Mazinam Kanu tell Mazinam can thank you for praising me. Obu ata no bibo. Obu ata no bibo. Devil mahi kanebulo tata. Because of this election now, oge wotu netaka. Ko we win governor. Ko we win Mamoya contest president. Ko we buzie his obuzie last killing. The same thing with Hope Osadema. The same thing with all these evil politicians. And the same thing with Itunubu. The only solution I know now is to rise up and take over our land by fire, by force. Because all these people now here pretending na hand on a political solution. Ne lianyi mugu, ne lianyi bonkre. Now walianyi, all in the name of nainacho freedom. Say no to any political campaign because you use all your brain. Hapata na sige that watch you in the few months now. Haga sige that we have one proscribed IPOB. Gama Kenya. Haga announce here na he mego on IPOB on proscribe. That date what today's date. All those things is in order to get attention and they get support from IPOB leaders. And well, years or nothing more. Nothing more. Now, for many of them now, Hagane hold topic upon topic. Just relax. Akwadevi Mahia Powago IPOB now, they need the dialogue. Man, I'm gonna put soldiers and army and the police to slaughter IPOB in Ebonyi State. Omalo yebo dialogue. Juonwegi. Keduko ju echegide. Obuluko je Fuchazia Buhari declare his ambition for presidency. Now, Koju Emalozia need dialogue for IPOB. Why Oju Echegide will this time? My jog, why? Why Oju Echegide will this time? The reason Bukobia use Ogi for campaign and Obidoge and Oyebuputego. Obuputego Ogolu some leaders again. A cause of a problem. A wrong accusation again. That is the truth. So, Imaluna ne put off of this Biafra restoration. You must know the strategies these people are using. Their strategies is to use IPOB for their campaign. Once they get the support from IPOB, people will be saying he is a good man. At least for standing up, he have realized his mistake. Until any of them realize any of their mistake, what they realize is their ambition, their selfish interest. That's what they realize. There will some of the media warriors will tell you it's because of us that make this man to make U-turn. Until any person make any politicians to make U-turn, what is making them to make that U-turn is their personal interest, their selfish desire to contest for presidential election and to gain your support. Oh, gocha. Apart from this thing, only yours, nothing more, nothing less. He make a 10-year devil on my chance calling go president. Oga wipe the East. In the other idiot. Gini kana about yourself. Mwike chance. Oga wipe the East. Continue buki any chance. All these people are monsters. All these people are evil. Anthony from A to Z, the evil. That is why I gauge Malo what we are doing and what we are pursuing. Before any of them get video campaign, I could activate civil disobedience and this sit at home, so that we will use it to get these people. Marvelous Tochukwu. At least I expect you to read the headline. I believe you put here now as mark here DOS or DOS she DOS Achina. Agafego me there now. I like maybe I need treat one topic. I analyze DOS she DOS Achina. This is time to unite. This is time to come together and fight for what we believe in. Let us stop the blame game. And Abule APC. This is time to bring what you have out and put it in this struggle. How many years go you go take you blame DOS? DOS this, DOS that. Enough of those nonsense. You can ajak all those everything. And not make any person put on my brokers near chem gas yellow when me. Juonwegi, how many people put up for speak here for Mazinam they can before Anambra election, and how many of them are still speaking today? Where are they? Kebefano. They are nowhere to be found. That is why I am telling you this now. Don't allow these people to use you to campaign. Your voters card will not count. I'm not to the election because we are not yet doing anything that will stop the election. Man yenga gunu now, before round up, but this thing. Know it that the evil politicians will use IPOB for campaign this time around. The evil politicians will use IPOB to campaign this time around. And when they will be using, they will see them supporting IPOB, malicious support, Oshilofanobi, hypocrites, eye service, Melemeleniru Kwampetenazu, Halu had the agreement with Buhari. Gwa Buhari, don't mind what we say on TV. Don't mind what we say on the newspaper. We are using it for campaign strategy. That is why all of them can come out now to speak about IPOB and nothing will happen to them. Wait after the election. Any of them saying I actually support IPOB, let the person wear the complete uniform of IPOB, go to Abuja. The rising sun, let the person wear it. Or blood auto, now you laugh IPOB, ga Abuja or Putanebo no nekwoku. That is why Njagunu no gelugo mbaigeji we malifying eme. The evil politicians will never support Biafra restoration because Hamana, that will be their end of their reign. These politicians, man, none of them qualify to become even council on Ketina Biafra land. And they think that these people will allow it to restore such nation that will render them useless? You think so? No, I can't go. And well, time, ezigo mozim on easier. Their strategies against IPOB is to use IPOB to campaign for 2023 election by coming out to pretend hypocritically eye service to tell that Mazinam Dekan is our son. We have forgiven him. We are doing everything humanly possible to free him. All those things are foul lies from pit of hell. Foul. We walk into we prescribe IPOB. They will go to the extent of submitting files now local with a court. As for me, we have fixed the date. Oluda day a shift to na kege jimie. All those things are arranged. All those things were arranged. So you have to be very, very careful. IPOB leadership have to be very, very careful this time around, not to fall into their trap. Because these people are determined. And before anyone get Jeffuma Zinamnikano, and my fanya Jofom, Komalo that not so say about the eyes, IPOB and Mazinamnikano. Nyakwaneka these people use one, Nyakwaneka any person use one to work against IPOB and Biafra restoration. You have not done that before, and I pray you will not do it. Ekwene. That is why Njagunu. On this note, Kanga drop the curtain here. Mana, their strategies, just expect all these evil politicians with the traditional rulers and reverend fathers and the religious leaders. Hantani nega speak is political solution. And don't well anything enough. All those things with strategies. You must know that. And the Haga try every possible means. He manipulates our lawyers and he use one or two things. That is the reason Joanna here. Now, you know. Anyway, like I said before, I'm not an APC member that will be blaming one party all the time. We have told the DOS what we think, so we have to give them time to respond. That is how we do things. That's how me myself do my own things. I don't develop hatred on anyone. I love every Biafra agitators. Ekucham koram non until I come your way again. Thank you and remain blessed. Obunota tabizi nesonyelum onye na nonu ya Maazị Achebe Paul MAP eziokwu bụ ndụ one na Biafra land wee sị ka ọ malụ gị mma.
If you agreed with me, you can see that all the politicians in Nigeria, they are now putting on garment of obedience, garment of humbleness, because of what? To support them for their presidential ambition. Guys, we should not be deceived this time around. All right, my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this wonderful update. I still remain your one and only AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. If you know that you haven't subscribed to this channel and you have been enjoying all this, what are you waiting for? Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.